Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another exciting United Cutlery item. I have the Horn of Gondor. So I'd like to show you this, and I just got this in the mail just the other day. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get into this right out of the box here. And just to let you guys know, this is the horn that Boromir had blown at the end of Fellowship of the Ring when he's calling for Aragorn, Gimli, and Legolas to come help him. So in need, because he was being chased after by the Uruk-hai, that ones that Saruman had sent after them. There we go. Let's see what I think. This is the top here. Really cool piece. I've been wanting this one for a long time as well. More, I think. There we go. Nope. I got them all. There. Very cool. Awesome. And this is the instructions on how to hang that. Ooh, that plaque is pretty heavy there. What is that? Oh, I'll find out what that is in a sec. Very cool. This is the plaque where it hangs on. The back, where just get some anchor pins, the drywall easy anchors, and a lot easier to hang them with those. And then you can see the White Tree of Gondor there. Pretty cool. Really cool. And pull this out gently. Stand up for this here. What's going on here? Don't want to yank it too hard because it's pretty fragile here. There we go. Here a bit. There. Get that out in a second. What is this piece? Oh, this is the COA. Get this out of the way. Stay. Ooh, that's nice. Then put some of the stuff here. There's just Comes out with that. Oh, I see. Okay. And this is what the rope or whatever they have here to hang on that wall piece. Really, really cool. That's awesome. I love this. And that's the front there. Show the other side. And that's the mouthpiece where you blow into. Overall, this is really cool. And this is UC3455. Really cool. This is beautiful. And I think it's playable. I'm gonna practice this. If you want, I'm gonna do a short thing of me trying to learn how to blow this. I believe it's playable. So yeah, no, this is so beautiful. Here, I'm gonna grab my camera and show you some close-ups here and show you a little bit closer up of this Horn of Gondor here. So I'm gonna grab my camera and show you some close-ups. So I show you this up close first. So this is the plaque where you hang it on. The White Tree of Gondor. And that's where the rope hangs around this top piece up here. Really, really cool. You can see the 3 stars. And then the back. Really, really cool. And now I will show you the close-ups of the Horn of Gondor here. Really, really cool piece. I don't have a thing to stand it up, so really cool. Very beautiful piece. I like the black on the end there. I like the white ivory kind of color to it. Then gold, and then silver trim on it. Really, really nice. Really, really beautiful. I'll flip this around here and show you the other side. I'm sure it's gonna be like the same. So as you can see there, that's how where you blow into the hole to make the sound. And it is playable, I just tried it. I'll show you me trying to play it here really soon here. I still got to hold it up because it's weight heavy on the bottom here where I'm holding it. It's hard to stand up, really awkward. So you can see where it's latched onto the ropes there. Feels like a fake leather kind of stuff, or like, yeah. Really cool. Just a beautiful piece. I'll show you the bottom of it too. Very nice. Almost looks like an elephant tusk kind of thing. Really, really cool. And now I'm going to show you me trying to play in this Horn of Gondor here. So here, I'm going to try playing this Horn of Gondor. So here's me trying, and I know I can get a tune or get a decent sound out of this. So bear with me. This is, if you want, you can stop if you want, but this is quite comical because this is the first time I've ever played a horn. So here we go. this again. Okay, take 2. Now that was pretty good, I thought. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of me blowing this Horn of Gondor. And see you guys in the next video. I got more upcoming videos coming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and had a very laughable enjoyment with me here. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye now.